Good morning, everybody. So today I'm taking you guys to MIT's formal party, but first I'm dragging you guys to Dick's House of Sport, where I DJ sometimes. We're gonna do a rally for the marathon runners who got their medals. So if anybody wanted to get their medals engraved, they'll go into Dick's House of Sport today and they'll hear live music and get their medals engraved. So I'll take you guys there first, and then I'm taking you to some hotel in Boston for MIT's formal, gotta be a spring fling or something like that, but let's get it. All right guys, so I'm caffeinated and I just arrived at the Prudential Center garage and I'm about to load in for Dick's House of Sport. And if you guys wanted to see what this load in looked like, I put in the description a link to the vlog where I DJ'd here a few weeks ago, so check that one out. So during my setup here at Dick's House of Sport, I may have discovered a solution to the height issue with the BOSSTIN bags. So what I ended up doing was I folded the RCF top bags and I slid them into the BOSSTIN bags, and that added a little bit more height and girth so I could set up my controller on top of it. So I never want to be slouching over my DJ controller for 5 hours because that's just not good for posture. And even though it doesn't look the best, it worked out really good and my back was thankful 5 hours later. So I hope that helps some of you guys.
Cara dentro la disco, conmigo se pega perder el control. Lo sepan todos preciso, tu cuerpo prende todo el flow. Salud, prim, brillando distinto, la calle sabe cómo lo siento. Papi activo sin pensamiento, tu movimiento rompe el momento. Bellaquita sube la pila, tu mirada siempre domina. Perreo lento, adrenalina, figura se combina. Mami se pega, pierde el control y se pegan todo preciso. Tu cuerpo prende todo el flow. La vibra sube, nadie la baja. Tu cuerpo romperá.
All right guys, so it's 3:30. I just found street parking somewhere in Faneuil Hall next to the warehouse, kitchen and bar or whatever. And I did a classic Taylor Swift wardrobe change today. So I'm sorry that you guys didn't get to see all that, but the people at the warehouse that are peeking through the windows, they got a show, and so did the duck boats driving by. So I figured I'd just do a little quick wardrobe change. My next load in is at 5:30 at the Bostonian, which I drove past and it's a nightmare, but Dick's House of Sport gig was awesome, and I'm gonna get deep for a quick second. So my grandfather passed away years ago, and he was a linebacker for Boston College, and anytime I see that eagle, I always know that like whatever I'm going through in life, like I'll be able to persevere. So I really hope that anybody that's watching this today, like you find your eagle. And you know, my grandfather, he was the man, and like he would always tell us to remember who we are. And he just was a very successful and strong person. And I always kind of channel that energy when I'm going through stuff. And right now is kind of one of those seasons, the weather's starting to get warm, but I've really felt this winter, and seeing that eagle really just meant more than, you know, just us dancing next to the J9 speaker. So, man, but yeah, I'm gonna just hang out, probably get some emails done, and then check in with you guys later. How's it going, guys? So I'm in the office right now and I'm working on some vlog stuff, and I realized I forgot to hit record during the breakdown. So being the DJ, the videographer, the accountant, the roadie, it's not easy to always hit record, which sounds crazy because that's such an easy thing to do. But I wanted to come on here and just give you guys a quick gig recap. So for the MIT Harvard event, it was so much fun. And the Bostonian Hotel surprisingly had one of the best load-ins that I've ever seen, where you just kind of pull your car right up to the front, valet hands you a slip, you unload, bring your stuff right into the door, and the service elevator's on the other side of the door, go up to the 4th floor, and then it's a breeze. So definitely doing that by myself after DJing 5 hours at Dick's House of Sport, and then also Bridgewater State the night before. I could definitely tell I was really tired, but I definitely gave them everything I had left in the tank, and that was enough. And as you guys could see, like, their energy was at 150%. And that helped me with my energy because I was like, all right, this is what I needed to keep me going. So I love that I can kind of feed off the energy of the crowd sometimes. And when they're really giving you all that energy, it's just like incredible. So that was a magical night. I had so much fun and the feedback was incredible too. I got a text message the other day about how thankful they were for me that they hadn't seen a DJ like that at one of their formal events in a long time. So I was grateful for the positive feedback, and I don't let that go to my head. I'm going to remain humble and continue to crush as many of these events as possible. And I wanted to talk here briefly about the spider wash lights. So those lights made a huge difference too. This is the first season that I've used them, and I'm not sponsored by these lights, but I will say they made a huge difference. And here's a shot of them on, and here's a shot with them off. And you could definitely tell the room is pitch black with them off, and the ambiance is just completely different. But I gotta say, man, this season I think is gonna be my favorite season as a full-time DJ, because I'm gonna have all the right gear. The energy has been off the hooks. I don't even know, like, for the past couple of years, some of these same events have been like hit or miss as far as crowd reaction and engagement and all this stuff. But everybody seems super happy, engaging, and positive. So I'm looking forward to just continue with these vlogs, and want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching, and share these videos with as much DJs as possible. I noticed in the comment section there's been a lot of local DJs from New England, so I'm looking forward to maybe connecting with some of you guys in person in the future. So I'm gonna keep going for as long as I possibly can, but thanks again for watching.